Ano, Juvenile will take
Yeah.
this one.
Hmm?
And they'll take photo.
No need photo with
Only
video.
food.
Because if you take photo, then no one will watch my video.
They will know. They will know already.
Only some. Bamba.
You should eat like they eat in the YouTube channel. Look at they eat very small girls, but they eat too much.
Yeah.
Small girls, but this one see them making too much.
And rice also.
And when you watch them, the reaction is very nice. Then they go and throw it out.
Done na.
Instead, take away this one.
No, no, take one.
What's the big one?
I'll give to my brother.
Drink, take away. Take away this.
Juice?
I don't like ice.
Thank you.
Wait. Mang Jun, wala ka, hindi ka kasama sa damba-damba.
Uy!
Putol.
Hindi ah.
Uy! Man!
Hi guys, I am with Summer Pits
No,
TV.
I don't want to try it.
We are here in...
City,
kasi kanina silang dalawa.
City
Only
Center.
No,
Dampa.
we are here in the
Dampa.
boundary of Kuwait.
Uy!
In Damba-Damba.
Hindi. Should not eat the chicken. Haram. Mereka eat the chicken.
So we
No,
are
no, no.
eating.
Pineapple.
I don't want. I have. You give me the blue first. You give me one. I wanted the pineapple. Pineapple is good, but then
I am with Summer Pits TV.
sama what?
Summer Pits.
Summer, not
Summer. I am with Summer Pits.
Yeah, this is fake. This is not real. Better my cola.
That is
Wala?
fake.
Fake. Look like not real. Because real taste is not real. Yeah, and then it has
oh, thank you. Lord.
we make like this one.
Mais.
Crust, make take crust.
No, no, no.
Yung mais.
Rika, put down.
Put down the chicken.
No, you play with food. No, no.
Tissue, there is tissue.
No, he wants to
Ayun,
take away. This
Tissue,
one,
there is
June.
tissue.
You want to take away? Yeah.
No problem. Take it.
Oh, tissue.
Wait, nothing.
Thank you.
But then, I have already, but... Well, even this one I cannot open.
Oh,
Yeah,
matamis
because
kasi
you
ito.
have see, you got crab, I'm not open for you.
Advance birthday
That
party.
already written. Open this one. Well, I open already about it.
No guys, because we are full. We are just trying the damba.
See, I mean, better buy. See?
We really didn't enjoy the damba there.
Okay, we'll eat another place.
No, because the sauce is sweet. Why are they putting sweet?
I don't like sweet.
You like sweet there?
Rika, the chicken.
Rika putting no,
Put
no,
the
put
chicken
this
for
one.
Tika. I did not touch.
It's
I did
not
not touch
touch. I'm
it.
telling you, she did not touch
Put it back.
I'm
Yeah, for
full.
Tika.
No, take away. But it, bring
Corn also, corn.
It is free.
No, Remo don't like chicken. He
He
wants,
doesn't eat deep fried food. Huh?
yeah, he wants only the one wrapped with the kubus. The one there, twister. Sorry, no, you like twister. You like twister, right? I'm full na lagi.
Pare ko yung remove.
So we are done, but still we have too much food.
We are done, guys.
Why we need to put very tall?
Yeah, I cannot listen, right?
We didn't eat too much. Look at how she did.
No, I ate too much rice also. With the sauce, it's very nice.
Yeah, of course it's nice.
The execution. Execution also. But very mean. Right? That's the food.
Ito pa.
Maybe French fries is still.
What is this?
Apple. Apple with blue.
What blue? Apple with blue.
I like Gia lemonade.
Simple, huh?
That's why you are in uniform.
Too much drama this. No guys, because I just
See?
I just came from work. Because I'm very hard work.
Ah,
Very hard work. Huh?
Yeah. That's why I don't want to. I'm very hard work. So I came straight to the Damba.
I don't want. I don't want to drink. Oi? I love you.
Oy.
I love you. But it fall down.
No, you don't.
Ruba? Fake. Who's Ruba?
Si Summer Pits guys, oh. Huwag nyo nang i-subscribe. I tell don't subscribe.
Too much subscriber.
Oi.
Oh, no.
Very rude. One last time.
Uy, look at my BFF, they become angry.
Very rude.
She's very rude.
She said I'm very rude.
Very rude, Angel Marie.
Sabi mo sa kanya, pre, this side, you don't have spoon? No, this side, this is clean.
Yeah, no one has touched.
No touch this one.
I don't know. I want to see how they make it.
How they make takeaway? This one not nice to make takeaway.
No, they will. She'll take like.
Alcohol?
I am very dark. Serika can be seen. I cannot be seen.
So, okay.
I'm full, guys.
Look at guys, it's good for 2 people.
Si Rika attire.
Rika is very pretty every time we going out.
Cream.
It's a
Yeah,
model.
matchy ano?
It's a
Yeah.
model.
What?
Matching dress today, Winnie and me.
Also, Winnie is
My
like a
baby.
Barbie.
Why?
Barbie. Barbie, yeah.
And Angel, the time she's from Moab, so
Yeah.
Yes.
Only we are the one
she
who
loves Gia too much.
I love Gia, but Gia don't love me.
Oh, you cannot say bad of this.
They knows that how much I love Gia. Of course, I'm not showing off. But deep inside, I love Gia.
Yeah, all the time.
They think they're being
Blocking all the time.
Without Gia,
Excuse me.
without me. Excuse me?
Chick.
She's coming with the checkup.
Okay.
I'm also like this.
Sound like that.
What are you talking about?
Don't. They think we are taking their videos. Those two girls.
Where?
No?
Oh. It's you.
Huh? I'm paying.
Where's the tissue?
Oi.
Take away.
But I don't carry cash, so.
Uy, kinit siya. So sure. So my
Yeah.
BFF guys don't have cash.
Look at.
Kamastas din ah.
Don't listen to everything Angel says.
She don't have cash because she don't have money.
No, I put all my money away.
But thank you so
I'm
much,
almost
baby.
ready.
I'm really full.
When you cannot touch money, you'll not spend it.
Isa. Me, I plant in the room.
Angel carries Ruba only.
I had Talaga siya.
So, one day Angel told me to enter her purse. No, she had Ruba and coins. I told her, you're very poor, you don't have any money. She doesn't carry money also. I don't carry money also, cash.
I have kinit.
We also
Kinit?
carry.
Yeah, with
I'm carrying money.
but this is access from Remo.
And Jubina will keep our this one. So she's very nice. And they click.
Okay, be kalas na. It's all your face na. Mang Jun, ikaw naman magpaalam mo.
Enough.
Oi, you're touching the sauce.
Hey guys, thank you for watching our mukbang in Dampa
Guys,
City Center. City Center, okay? Don't forget to
And
subscribe.
Kainek, huh?
Angel Black
Kainek,
channel.
yeah.
Summer PHTV.
And they will go round. So yeah.
I like our W also.
We go the friend.
Okay?
Bye-bye.
It's nice experience eating in the
And she's very pretty. She's a very good hostess.
Say hi to my...
vlog.
She's very
Yes.
nice.
Our promoting Dampa in
Yeah.
city center. Okay?
Thank you.
What's your name, my friend?
Hindu.
Hindu.
Wow. You're from India.
Yeah,
Yes.
she's
I'm from Nepal.
Nice meeting you.
I just
Salamat.
from India because you
Salamat.
look like Indian, huh?
Salamat po ate. You have finished?
Indian. Yes.
My friend from
Follow up by the
don't understand him.
Really?
Really?
So you're from India?
I think that is not
Kerala?
Kerala.
Enough now, my friend.
Kerala different, huh?
Thank you, my friend. Enough, my friend.
Hindi.